This year we added a new option because we went to smart TVs. When you pick one of our TV options, it's a 120 volt electric TV. Previously we used 12 volt TVs. Not a lot of good smart TV options out there, so we want to get a better TV experience. So one of the options we added to make that work well is an inverter system. We added a 1,000-watt inverter system. It's a simple little thing to use. You just push the power on. You'll see that this now has got 12.9 volts. As long as it's above 12 volts, it can produce enough electricity to run one or two of the TVs. It's a 1,000-watt inverter. If that drops down below that point, then you need to charge the batteries back up to make it work. But this will give you the ability to be in the middle of nowhere. You don't have to fire up your gen, don't have to plug in the trailer, and you can turn those TVs on. So each one of the outlets, the TV area, as far as in the kitchen or the garage area, most of the models, the bedroom if you have a bedroom, and then outside, those three outlets are running through the inverter system if you pick that option. And now you can watch TV, doesn't matter if the trailer's plugged in or not, it'll run off the batteries.